Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. I'm so excited about today's video because for the very first time I'm going to use this terracotta sprouts maker. Previously I have used plastic sprouts maker, stainless steel sprouts makers and even made sprouts without using any of these. You can check out all those videos in my playlist which is named as sprouts. I will also put a link to that playlist in the description box below so that you can easily access it. Now let's begin with today's video. Here I have about 300 grams of whole urad dal. We usually prefer to buy smaller quantities of these grains so that we can use a different variety of grains and they will get over just in one go. I will transfer the urad dal in a container and we'll add water and we need to rinse it really well by rubbing it with our hands. They do come with a lot of dust, so you can wash them for 3 to 4 times or until you get clean water. Now I will add clean water and will soak this dal overnight, which is about 8 to 9 hours. Next day morning, which was around 11 hours already, this is what the dal looks like. You can see a bit of bubble forming on top of it, but nothing to worry. You can simply rinse it with clean water. After rinsing it again, this is what the dal looks like. They are properly soaked. And now we can start with the sprouting process. Here I have my terracotta sprouts maker. I already washed it and dried it and kept it ready for use. But before use, I'm again going to give it a wash. You get it in different sizes, like there may be one compartment, two compartments, or you can even go for three compartments, but the one which comes with two compartments. So for the first two compartments there will be a lot of holes, and the bottommost container or the compartment is for collecting any excess water if there is any. So you can see there are holes in the first two compartments and then there is a lid. It comes in a complete like a kit. After rinsing the terracotta sprouts maker, I will transfer the urad dal into it. Now I will cover it and allow it to rest for another day. You get urad dal in different forms, like the whole one with skin, whole one without skin, split one with skin, split one without skin. Just out of curiosity, I saw if any water is accumulated or not, but there was no water that was accumulated. Now I will wait for one day and this is what it looks like on the next day. You can see that the dal has become a bit dry and a little bit of sprouts is coming. There is no excess water in the bottommost compartment. Everything has dried up because the weather is a bit dry in the place where I live. Now what we need to do is you can put it under running water and rinse it again so that everything is moist and the sprouts can grow even longer. Or otherwise you can simply sprinkle bit of water on it. Here I'm putting it under running water, and because there are a lot of holes, all the excess water will get drained out easily. You can wait for about half a minute or 1 minute and all the excess water will be gone, and then you can again place it on top of this compartment and then allow it to rest for another day. In this video I am using whole urad dal which comes with skin, and it is very dark green in color which almost looks like black. After one day this is what the sprouts look like. They have grown really well and also the dal is looking a bit dry. I think this size is perfect. I will be consuming it today itself. But if you want to grow the sprouts even longer, you can again do the same process, putting it under running water or sprinkling bit of water and then allow it to rest for another day. You can even store it in an airtight container and keep it in fridge, and you can use it later on as well. You will not get any smell or anything like that. They will remain fresh as well. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, bye bye.